G'day folks, and welcome to the show. On this week's show, we are heading back up the coast, the northwest coast from here in Launceston, to do a little road called the Creamery Road. Now, Annie, my counterpart from Hogs Cogs and 2 Aussie Flogs, has recommended this one, so why don't we go and check it out. We might even catch up with her while we're down there. So grab a bevy, kick back and enjoy tonight's show. Let's go. And he's taking me on the Creamery Road ride. It's a little back road, inland from the coast, from Sulphur Creek back up into the back of Penguin. Well, let's go. Okay, so we're just heading into Sulphur Creek now. So this is a new route to me. I was not aware that this one existed, so I'm looking forward to it. In under the freeway and out into the countryside. Hope I can keep up. Oh, a bit of gravel on the road. Be mindful of that, folks, if you come up this way. Gravel on the corners. Beautiful and green up through here. I'm sure the camera's not going to do this place justice. It is magnificent rolling hills, green as can be, cattle in most of the paddocks, creeks and brooks running through most of the properties. Gravel on every corner. Buggers. Come on, you car drivers, stay on the black stuff. Well done, Annie. And into Penguin. Short and sweet, but worth the loop round. If you're coming up this way, that is worth just looping round and back into Penguin and then heading wherever it is that you're heading. That is some very cool sweeping corners. Just be mindful of the bloody gravel on it. That could bring you unstuck. Absolutely fantastic. A little gem. I hope you enjoyed that, folks. As always, thank you for joining me and Annie today. And I'm going to get some fuel and start heading back home. I will see you all next time. Take care. Cheers. Let's go.